my name is Samantha and I'm back for another week of story time with Growing Home Southeast. Growing Home Southeast is a nonprofit foster care agency headquartered in Casey, South Carolina. We serve children and families across the states of South Carolina and Alabama. For this week's story time, we'll be reading Rabbits Raindrops by Jim Arnosky. Be sure to stick around at the end of the video for some questions that you can discuss with your family. Let's get started. Rabbits Raindrops by Jim Arnosky. Mother Rabbit sits by her nest, under a hedge at the edge of the green lawn. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Mother Rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, onto the green grass. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. Soon, others come inside out of the rain. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Suddenly, the shower ends and the last few raindrops splatter down. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn to chase the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. How do you think the baby rabbits felt before heading out of their nest for the very first time? What other animals joined the rabbits when they went back in their shelter because of the rain? What do you like to do on rainy days? Thank you so much for joining us. I'll see you next week. Bye!